Lighting is arguably the most important factor in creating a quality image next to your camera and your lens. The lighting space has been dominated by various brands, but a new player is here to shake things up. I guess it shouldn't be too far-fetched to think that it would take a fresh perspective from outside the box to bring about change, which takes us to these new lights from Zhiyun. Yes, the same Zhiyun who you might know from the video world with their gimbals, they now have a new line of lights. These are the Zhiyun Molus X100 and the Molus G60, two impressive lights that pack some serious specs in their own right. To demonstrate, here's one of the LEDs that I've been using over the last few years to light my YouTube videos. It's got 150 watts of max power consumption, and it is about as big as one of my studio strobes. And on this side here, we have Zhiyun's Molus X100, which has 100 watts. While it has about 50 watts less max power than the one that I usually use, the X100 is bicolor, so you can adjust the color temperature from 2700 Kelvin up to 6500. The big LED, this is daylight balanced only, so 5600 Kelvin is your only option. The footprint of the X100 is also really impressive. Rocking my regular cargo shorts that I wear all the time, I could easily fit the X100 into one of my pockets without too much trouble. The big LED light that I would typically use, yeah, that's not happening. I was pretty surprised to see that at max output on these two lights, the X100 held its own even though it's rated at 50 watts less. If you're a photographer or content creator that wants to bring a powerful light with you without having to take up the amount of space that a big monoblock LED would take, it's easy to see how the X100 could really shake things up. You can power this light in 3 different ways. If you get the combo or pro package, you get this grip battery, which is rated for 30 minutes of use at 100 watts. You could also use their DC power adapter when you're using it in a studio type of environment like I'm doing here. And you could even power it using a power bank like the ones that you might use to charge your cell phone, thanks to its USB Type-C port. If you follow my channel, I create photography tutorials and I'm all about using lighting to get professional results. And part of that requires that any lights that I'm using have the ability to be modified using some kind of light shaper. The good news here is that even with its unique design, the Molus X100 has its own ecosystem of modifiers, and it's even compatible with Bowens Mount modifiers. We'll dig more into that in a few moments, but there's another light in the lineup that I don't want to forget. This is the Molus G60, and can we just take a second to look at how small this thing is? It's just slightly bigger than my Rubik's Cube, which I've been trying to practice and getting pretty good at, so look out for that. But somehow it manages to pack 60 watts of peak output. It's bicolor, just like the X100, giving you that same 2700 to 6500 Kelvin range, which makes it really useful. It doesn't have a battery pack option, and it operates more like a traditional cob LED light, where you plug it in and just use its DC power adapter. Just like the X100 though, you can also use a power bank to make this a truly portable option for lighting on the go. Both of these lights offer great color rendition, with the X100 giving you a CRI rating of 95 and a TLCI rating of 97, and the G60 giving you a 96 CRI and a TLCI of 97. Bottom line here is that you could feel confident that either light will give you good looking skin tones if you're into stills or video work. Let's get back to the modifier situation. Both of these lights have their own ZY mount to attach modifiers. Zhiyun also offers their own line of modifiers, including a dome diffuser and a mini softbox. The lights come with a mini reflector as well if you're looking to get the maximum output from these small LEDs. Now, if you're like me, you might already have some light modifiers, and by far the most common mount out there is the Bowens Mount. Zhiyun offers a Bowens Mount adapter for each of these lights where you can quickly and easily attach these lights to your Bowens Mount modifier of choice. That makes it easy to plug these lights into your current setups while giving you an ultra compact and powerful option to take with you for your location lighting needs. The X100 retails for $249 and the G60 comes in at $199 with Pro and Combo Kit options available at a higher price. To make things easy, I'll add the link for each set of lights in the description of this video for you to check out. If you're a subscriber here on my channel, you already know how important lighting is to everything it is that I do. Because of that, I get companies that email me pretty much every single day wanting me to test out their stuff and to show it to all of you here on my channel. I turn down about 99% of those requests because they usually offer the same boring cookie cutter lighting options that we've all seen like 1,000 times before. These two lights from Zhiyun, they are different. They really caught my eye due to their design, the power, the flexibility, and it doesn't hurt that they come in at a really affordable price too. These lights, they will make their way into future photo and video shoots here on my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already to stay up to date on my next videos, like this video if you like the video, and dislike it if you dislike it, that's okay too. And thanks for watching either way, but before you go, check out this video if you want to learn some of my best portrait secrets. I'll see you there.